Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa. I hope everyone's doing well. I am going to be playing today on a simple layout using the July Mini Kit Monday challenge kit that I put together. And these are the pictures that I am going to scrapbook, and I printed them off of my selfie. So, are you ready? Because I am ready. We are going to play with this layout. It's going to be a very simple layout, and I hope that you stay to watch the process as I create this layout. Here are the papers that we're going to use. I'm only going to use this paper here, and I'm going to play with the banners or the borders here. We're going to do some fussy cutting, and we are also going to be using this cardstocks here. I have like 4 cardstocks. All this cardstocks, this came from the blue pad that I showed you during the reveal, and I'm going to put the reveal video up here. And then of course these 2 papers are American Crafts papers, and I will be using this Lawn Fawn Custom Crafts dies, and this is Quinn, Q-U-I-N-N. Sorry, I can't even pronounce it. Okay, so this is what we will be using. I will die cut some letters using this and this cardstocks, which I basically already did, and here they are. I've already cut them out and used them, and here's basically what it is. You'll basically see what the title's gonna be: Iron Man Fangirl. Anywho, let's get started, and I'm going to put everything on this side for now so it's easy for me to grab later. So we are going to be using this paper here as our base, and let me just cut up these strips from this. I'm just going to take off the branding strip here, and let's do that now. And then the next thing that we're going to do is cut this off. And I want to take this part here. We are also going to take this banner here, and I am going to fussy cut this part here. So what I plan to do is make put this down and then do a fishtail on here. And I'm going to stick it on this piece of cardstock here that I have. Again, we're going to cut this up again. I want to ink a bit on the edges so that the white core of the or the white cardstock won't show through too much. I'm going to cut off maybe ½ an inch of this and then dovetail it. Let me do it from the back, about an inch in, and then go up. There you go. And then we'll put this on the side. And that's one of our embellishments. And then we're going to get this blue cardstock here and cut about 2 inches. Bring this over here to align the title. I'm going to put the Iron Man here. I'm basically following the Iron Man, how it had a blue background and the letters are in white. So I'm just following that. And again, this was cut using the Lanfone Quinn font. There you go. And then I'll just use this as the template to follow this through. I lost my A, guys. So here's an opportunity for you to see how we cut using this, see this bowed out folder, and I'll show you that it can still work. Let's put the A in. There you go. And it will still work, guys. You watch. I'm going to cut this down. So I basically just eyeballed to make sure that it is centered. The Iron Man is centered. And so let's put that on the side. Another embellishment done. Let's now fussy cut our banners here. It's done, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side. Let's get our layout started here. We're gonna put Iron Man up there. We're gonna put our red, white, and blue over here. Let's see our pictures here. That's where I want them. And then I want some bunting over here. And I'm going to cut this bunting and put it up here. Put this up here, and then the rest will go down here. Let me start by anchoring our little banner, our big banner here, I should say. And then I want to go ahead and put this down before I loose it. So I'm going to wet glue this so I still will have time to move it around. Let's play with this and hopefully it'll all work out. There you go. Now I'm going to put my daughter's picture over here and over here. You know what? I'm going to ink the edges of this Iron Man of the mat. Let me just ink the edges here real quick because I'm seeing the white core and that bothers me. Alright, that's actually where I want it. Let me put this picture down. I just noticed my daughter looked like she's got crazy hair over here. That's actually the trees. Because she's got her hair up in a bun back here. She looks like she's got crazy hair. Okay, and then let's put this down before I lose it. It's coming together, guys. I'm really excited. There you go. And then let's put this up here. Let's turn this over and then try to center it. Oy. Try to center it over here above the picture. There you go. And all I have to do now is put fangirl, because she is a fangirl. Hold on, this is bothering me because it's a little crooked. There you go. And then fangirl goes down here. Okay guys, I'm done with the layout. Iron Man fangirl. I hope you enjoyed the process. It's a very simple layout, just a little bit of detail work here. But this is our layout for our very first layout for the July Mini Kit Monday Challenge. And I hope you enjoyed the process. Again, it's very straightforward, it's very easy, and yeah, that's it. If you like what you see, guys, and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. We're trying to grow our family here at My Scrappiness. Give me a thumbs up if you like this layout. And that's it for now, guys. I will catch you guys later. Bye.